the actions that the ministry is going to take. We are going to collaborate in consultation with the Prime Minister's office to establish a commission of inquiry. The commission of inquiry, we think it's important. It will be a thorough investigation into the matter, and it, in our view, will be able to identify the weaknesses that we have been talking about. Looking at the legislative loopholes and weaknesses, looking at administrative processes, the weaknesses in administrative processes, and identify individuals and entities that may have been involved in malicious intents, and as well as looking at if any corruption activities that may have occurred during that period. So I believe the establishment of a commission of inquiry will be able to assist us to identify the real causes of this issue and the reforms that should be taken within the ministry.